Oh my God, y'all, so excited. I just got a message, an email that a package was delivered. So I'm so excited to go pick it up. I'm going right now. Y'all, this is so exciting. This is my very first unboxing. I never thought I would be here, but here we are. And I'm so happy you guys are here with me for my very first unboxing. Oh my gosh. GraceHui as a designer and her collection. I, right from the jump, I was hooked. I mean, it's so clear on her website that she is all about elegance, like beautiful craftsmanship that you can honestly see through the screen. Like through her website, you can see the craftsmanship. Each piece is backed by spiritual wisdom, and her entire brand is so deeply rooted in the Asian culture. She just seamlessly like blends that traditional artistry with the modern aesthetic. Pieces are gorgeous. I have like five, just jumping ahead, I have like, I don't know, five other pieces like on my want list now, on my hit list. And I just want to just quickly chat about GraceHui, the designer, because I just find it so impressive when a person can just pursue their real passions and interests in life. She actually has 2 degrees in business from the Netherlands, and she actually had a great opportunity afterwards in her field, but she decided to pursue her passions in art and artistry, and went to school in the United States in San Francisco. And then after that, she traveled to 20 different countries to study the various cultures. Amazing. And after doing that, after like pursuing her passion, she has also won a multitude of like different awards in her art and in her jewelry design. So kudos to her for going for it and then getting it. You know what I'm saying? It's amazing. And I loved that she wants to spread the love through her jewelry, spread the empowerment, and spread all this spiritual wisdom through her jewelry. I mean, I love that. It's like, I'll take all of the help that I can get, and I can especially take that help through gorgeous jewelry. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's unpack everything. Okay, cool. Oh, I couldn't wait. I already have my first piece on. It is this awesome bracelet from here it is, this awesome bracelet from the Five Elements, collection. I love it. I think this is GraceHui's most popular collection, and I think it's because of this amazing, this beautiful like intention behind this collection. She merges the Eastern philosophy of Bazi, which is the Chinese astrological system that analyzes like a person's destiny and fate through their birthday. And she merges that with Western astrology and crystal energy, which, oh my God, I am so into. Give me all of that stuff. I love all of that stuff. So she will enhance or balance using like that flow of energy to create luck and harmony in your life. I mean, isn't that amazing? You would just need to give her your birth date, and she works her magic into into her pieces. Oh, and another thing is, because I was just feeling like how awesome this chain feels, her materials are the same materials that Van Cleef and Arpels uses. So, but she enhances with all her awesome juju. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that is the 5 elements collections. There's necklaces, there's bracelets. You need to go check it out. The story itself, I was like, give me that bracelet. I'll, I would love that. So I'm excited. I'm excited to report back in a couple of weeks and let you know how the healing is going and the harmony is going. Cool. Let's get into the next piece. Okay, so piece number 2 from GraceHui are these lunar phase earrings. Can you see them? Are they not the coolest things? The deets on these is this is a black epoxy resin, but it is, it is crafted with a 925 silver gilding process. And there is a large and a small mother of pearl that's suspended beneath this crested moon. The philosophy behind these earrings, it's that they're more than just earrings. They embody a philosophy of life. They remind us that imperfection is not a flaw, but an opportunity to discover beauty in the everyday, helping us capture poetic moments amid the hustle and bustle of the world. I mean, nothing gives me more joy than like the backstories, I swear. The reasoning behind the creations, right? So that is my wonderful gift number 2, which I absolutely love, are the lunar phase earrings. I saved my favorite for last. It is, look at how cute this guy is. Can you see her? Amazing little bird ring. I absolutely love it. And this ring is part of a 4 collection series called the Shanghai Jing series. But this ring is from the Jing Wei collection, and it is all about determination and the power of perseverance. This is so beautifully made. There are 11 pink and 7 white Swarovski crystals that are placed in this gradient pattern. It is absolutely beautiful. This is sterling silver and it's 18 karat electroplated. And you don't really need to know your ring size because it's open in the back here. It's not really adjustable because it's pretty sturdy and I don't want to like ruin it at all. But because it's open like that, you can easily wear it on different sized fingers. But I love it. I love it so much. And thank you for watching my very, very first unboxing. I had so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And I'm looking forward to hearing if you guys pick up any pieces and how the healing is going for you. But I'm going to check back in a couple of weeks and let you know how it's going for me. All right? Cool. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time.